Bula! How are you all today? Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to start trading on the world's financial markets, even if you've been burnt before, overwhelmed, unskilled, and don't have much money. So welcome again, friends and family. Pleasure to have you with me. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can upskill yourself so you can be financially independent and have freedom in your life right now. For far too long, we have been blinded by this world's education system. I'm going to share with you a way that you can become educated with real life sustaining skills. This money-making product of mine requires specific, correct education to increase your chances of success. You will make mistakes. However, you must learn from it because this is not the time to be wasting money on your stubborn, unteachable attitudes. Let's go. How do you start trading on the world's largest financial markets again if you've been burnt before? Education. The correct education. Like anything with risk involved, you must be taught the right attitude, given the right tools, and shown the right way to use it. Let's take driving a car, for example. Did you know that according to Fiji Roads Authority, 1.3 million people die from car crashes around the world every year? Did you know that about more than 50 people die in Fiji every year from car crashes? 2,500 severely injured, costing our economy $30 to $40 million. We all know the risks involved, so we educate ourselves to go to driving schools and learning the right road rules. Did you know that according to Statista, an average of 539 people have died over the last 14 years due to aeroplane crashes? Although this average is going down each year because of new technology and correct educational information available to the travel industry. Yet, we all have no second thoughts to travel. Why? Because we believe in the travel industry's correct education. It's a calculated risk because we all believe in it. Anyway, we just want to go and travel, visit new places, and be with our family and friends. We have huge reasons to. Did you know that there are heaps of unemployed university graduates? I know of several who are not only unemployed, but who have been working in a completely unrelated field of study. They spend years studying, using thousands of dollars to get that piece of paper, only to find out that we have been simply trained to get a job and make the rich richer. We know this, yet we take the risk. Why? Because that's what this world system has been teaching us for years, if not decades. If the whole point of our job was to get money, why don't our education system teach us how to make money? Oh, they omitted that from the curriculum. I could go on and on. The whole point of my message is to let you know that there is a way to make you financially independent right now and well into the future. Everyone is offering you fish. I'm offering you your own fishing rod with line, bait, hook and sinker. It even comes with specific instructions exactly how to attract the right schools of fish right from where you are, right now. It's not about joining me or becoming part of my team. I don't need your money. I need you to wake up. I need you to question all that you've been told to believe. Start asking life the real questions. Why? How? What? Because my friends and family, in case you hadn't noticed, our teachers don't have the answers. Our bosses don't have it either. Neither does our government or our over-promising politicians. They have absolutely no solutions. Our superannuation simply does not either. Neither do our doctors, Our banks don't have an answer either. Neither does the traditional businesses that we used to have jobs at. Even our spiritual ordained priests and pastors, whatever they want to call themselves, don't even have a solution for you as well. Well, so far I know of only one. So, educate yourself with a skill that none of them can take away from you. A skill set that you will now use in their system to scalp their profits, to scalp your profits. Then take your fiat currencies and invest it in God's currency that neither rust, nor moth, nor thieves can take away. Thank you for joining me live and on replay. This is Fred from Fiji. Sote tale.